Today we will be creating this whip slide effect inside After Effects. Appreciate you guys tuning in. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, hit that like button so my video can get pushed out to new creators. With that being said, guys, let's get straight into the tutorial. First thing we're going to do is we're going to Control D on this clip. That's going to duplicate it. You're going to double click on your clip. That's going to bring up the rotoscope options. You're going to head over to the rotoscope tool, and now you're going to rotoscope your subject out from the background. After you guys have a clean rotoscope of your subject, you're going to head over to your preview and press play and let it rotoscope the subject frame by frame. After it finishes rotoscoping, you're going to head over to the freeze button, press freeze, and let it freeze every single frame. After it finishes freezing up, you're going to close out that layer. And if you guys disable the bottom clip, as you can see, it has just the subject outline. That's exactly what we want. I messed with the feathering and the shift edge a little bit just so it could clean out the subject even more for us. Now you're going to enable that bottom clip again so you have the background. You're going to head over to your effects and presets tab. And the first effect we're going to throw on is offset. Throw it on the bottom clip. Now when you come over to the shift center tool, if we mess with the left values, it shifts horizontal. And if we mess with the right values, it shifts vertically. We're going to mess with the horizontal values, so we're going to mess with the left values for this one, guys, which is the X. What you want to do is you want to skip over a couple frames, keyframe it at the shift center tool, press U on your keyboard so you can see where your keyframes are at, and you're going to go to the middle of the clip. You're going to shift it, and you're going to keep dragging this a couple times, guys. I'm going to drag it over like 4 times. Now when we play it back, as you guys can see, the background is shifting horizontally, looking pretty clean. But as you can see in the movement, it's looking a little linear and a little staticky. So what we're going to do is to make it look more smoother, we're going to highlight those keyframes that we did. We're going to press F9 to easy ease. Make sure you have those keyframes highlighted. Head over to the graph editor. And if you right click on your mouse, you can see we're messing with the speed graph, and that's what you guys want to be messing with. You're going to bring in both keyframes to the middle. And as you guys can see, the movement is going to be the fastest in the middle and it's going to slow down in the end. Let's see how it's looking now. Pretty fire. Now to add in some finishing touches to this effect, we're going to head back over to the effects and presets. We're going to search up directional blur, throw it on the bottom clip. You guys want to change the direction to 90 since we're messing with the horizontal. You guys want to keyframe it at the exact same spot that the offset begins at. Keyframe it at 0. Go about halfway, bump the blur length up, and then what you want to do is go to the last keyframe of the offset and bring that blur length back down to 0. Once you have that added, you can see that the background is blurred out and it looks more realistic. That's the end of this tutorial, guys. It was quick and easy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that like button. I'm dropping tutorials every single week. You don't want to miss out. Comment down below what you want to see me do next. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.